Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to pin control panel to taskbar. To start, search for control in the search box. Now right-click on the control panel and choose Pin to Taskbar. You can see the control panel on the taskbar and open it from there. After this, again search for control, right-click on control panel and now select Pin to Start. When you open the Start menu, you can see the access to the control panel available here. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.